useMemo, a React hook which helps you cache the result of a calculation between re-renders. It takes two arguments, the function which calculates your value and a dependency array. If something changed from your dependency array, the result will get re-evaluated, otherwise React won't bother computing it again. useMemo returns the result of the function call you provided. Let's use this hook to speed up our application. In this component, we can type in number to the input element, then it will set the state variable number with the value we provided. After that, the factorial of our number will be calculated and then displayed. In addition, we can change the application theme with a button click. The problem is, the function is artificially slowed down to represent heavy computation. Factorial function will run on every render, even if we only want to change our theme. We see that we get notified in the console that our factorial function runs every time we change the theme. To optimize this, we can use the useMemo hook to wrap our factorial function and add number variable as our dependency. This way, our factorial function will only run if number variable changes, so we won't have any delays on theme change. As we can see, changing theme doesn't cause the factorial to get recalculated. You don't have to use this hook for every computed value. This will overcomplicate your code and may lead to some performance issues. It's better to only use the useMemo hook to cache heavy computations. That's all. This is a quick overview of useMemo in React to get you started. I hope this video was helpful, and if that's the case, consider subscribing to my channel.